Tired of your small living room looking dull, but don't want to spend a fortune? Here's how you can completely transform it without breaking the bank. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to giving your small living room a fresh new look on a budget. No need for expensive furniture or fancy contractors, just smart choices and simple tweaks. Definition: a budget-friendly living room makeover means updating the look, style, and comfort of your space using affordable materials, DIY hacks, and smart reorganization. Why importance? Your living room is the heart of your home. A well-styled space not only feels more inviting, but also makes small areas look bigger, brighter, and more functional, all without draining your wallet. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by decluttering and removing items that don't serve a purpose. 2. Rearrange your furniture to maximize space and natural light. 3. Add a fresh coat of paint or peel and stick wallpaper for an instant upgrade. 4. Use mirrors to make the room look larger. 5. Add budget-friendly decor like throw pillows, rugs, or DIY wall art. 6. Introduce plants for a natural, lively touch. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like a measuring tape, paintbrush or roller, peel and stick wallpaper, inexpensive decor items, and possibly a drill if you're hanging shelves. Workflow. First, clear the space. Next, handle painting or wallpaper. Then position your larger furniture pieces, followed by smaller decor. Finally, add accent touches like lighting, plants, and accessories. Quick tips: choose lighter colors to make the space feel larger. Multi-purpose furniture like storage ottomans save both space and money. Shop second-hand or repurpose what you already own. Cost comparison. A professional makeover can cost thousands. By doing it yourself with affordable tools and decor, you can refresh your living room for under a few hundred. A small living room doesn't have to mean small style. With these budget-friendly steps, you can create a space that feels brand new. Try out these tips, and if you found this guide helpful, hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart home makeover hacks.